Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, we will talk about the DHCP, the protocol DHCP. What is the DHCP? Okay, the material 9 is DHCP. Protocol DHCP is a standard protocol that allows server to dynamically distribute IP experience and configuration information to client. Usually, DHCP server provide clients with at least this basic information. One is IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway, DNS server. So, broadly speaking, there are four processes that occur when a client requests an IP address to the DHCP server. Namely, configure the DHCP server on router. So, okay. So, we will create a simple topology for the DHCP server. Okay, we put the router, one switch, and two computer. And the computer have a different VLAN. In this computer with VLAN 10 and this computer with the VLAN 20. Okay. Switch and computer. We connected with the cable, automatic cable. Then we fast forward time. Okay, in this switch we make a VLAN 10 and the VLAN 20, and we get to the interface F80/2. No switch port. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 10, and we move to the interface 3. Switch port model access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, then we put the nodes here, the VLAN 10 and VLAN 10 and DHCP. The IP for this computer is DHCP, and these two, VLAN 20, DHCP. If you get in the desktop for this computer and the IP configuration, we have option for the DHCP IP address. In previous video, we don't practice the DHCP, but now we will learn about the DHCP. This called the DHCP client, and the router give the computer IP address, and the router called by the DHCP server. So the DHCP server give the IP and give the information, and the DHCP client is took took a tag or take a IP or information. Okay, now we continue. One and visual mode trunk. Okay, we move to the router. CLA, no, enable configure terminal. Then we move to the interface 0/0, no shutdown. Then we add no. Okay, then we create a sub interface for this interface. Then 0, 0, 10. Okay, like this. So encapsulation .1q 10, IP address is 10.1. Then we move to the sub interface for the computer 2 is 20. Then encapsulation .1q 20, IP add 0.1. Okay, so we have IP address for the router now. So continue. Then we configure the configuration, the DHCP configuration. IP we exit first. IP DHCP pool is the name for the pool. You can create wherever you want. I here create with the name same with the I create name same with the name VLAN. For the VLAN 10, I create a name of VLAN 10 too. So like this, the network. Then network mask, and the end is default router 0.1. Okay, exit, continue. IP DHCP pool VLAN 20. Then network. Okay, now we move to the computer and we get the DHCP. Okay, you can see the DHCP is success. The router can give the computer an IP address for the computer, and this one computer is 10.2 is random, the IP is random, and this is 20.2, and default gateway is the router is the default gateway for the router is 20.1. Okay, guys, I think that's all for configuration, the DHCP configuration. Very easy. I hope you can understand and practice this. Learn. Thank you so much. See you.